In this video, you will study about the first lesson of your GK book, that is plant habitats. So let's try to understand what is a habitat. A habitat is an environmental area where a particular species of plant or animal lives. Plants live and grow in different habitats. Means to say that plants grow in different environmental areas, and that environmental area is called a habitat. So let's study about a few plants and about their habitats. First one is elephant foot tree. These elephant foot plants or trees are desert plants, and they are from North America. Elephant foot tree plant has swollen trunk, and this trunk stores water. It also has long thin leaves that reduce the loss of moisture. The second one is mistletoe. Mistletoe, this plant has root-like structures and it hangs upon other trees to support itself, to anchor itself, and then it absorbs water and nutrients from the host tree. Host tree is that upon which it hangs or clings. So it gets nutrients and absorbs water from that host tree. Octillo. The speciality of this octillo plant is that it can survive in the harsh desert climate by staying dormant. This plant is leafless for most part of the year except immediately after rain. Means when there is rain, there will be some leaves and some flowers, but when the soil dries out, the leaves also dry. So this is about octillo. Mangroves. These trees have stilt roots which act as barrier, and it protects from soil erosion due to tidal waves. The next one is fig tree. Its flowers are pollinated by wasp. Wasp is what? An insect. So pollination is done by a wasp, after which this wasp dies and decomposes inside the fruit. The next plant is sugar maple. Sugar maple, this tree is native to North America, and this tree is grown in gardens especially for its beauty and extensive branching system. So this was all about a few plants and their habitats. Thank you.